There is a drop down menu. You can select any month from there. If you like, if you select August, the data shall be presented in the month of August. There is a year to date item wise graph which is showing the cumulative figures from Jan to August or from July to August, whichever the 12-month period you have selected. Below is the variance of plan versus actual for those items for the same month. There is similarly there is monthly item wise graph which is showing the same things likewise but for the month. Those are the cumulative figures for the month. Below is the actual variance, like here is the variance for the current month whichever is selected from there, and then variance for the same month of the previous year. Similarly, there is actual variance of the month versus the actual of the previous month. So like if you select from there October,